Biggest news that's happening in the national capital, and this is the protest that is happening at Jantar Mantar. Well, the Delhi High Court has begun hearing PILs challenging the police action against protesters at Jantar Mantar during Sonam Wangchuk's hunger strike. Petitioners have sought an independent SIT probe alleging excessive force, brutality and misconduct by Delhi police against peaceful protesters. Senior advocates have argued that there was no Section 144 in force and no warning before the police action. With over 90 students reportedly injured, the petitioners have urged the court to preserve the CCTV footage, videos and official records to identify the officers responsible and also to determine who ordered the action. They've also alleged that female protesters were assaulted and demanded FIRs against identifiable police personnel, arguing that Delhi police cannot investigate its own conduct. Well, let me go across to my colleague Sambhav Sharma, who's joining us live on the broadcast to give us the latest update on this front. Sambhav, these are a bunch of PILs regarding the entire police action that took place. These are from the protesters themselves as well. What were the arguments that are being discussed?
Well, absolutely a crucial hearing in the Delhi High Court, which is just concluded. And the Delhi High Court, the recent development is that the Delhi High Court has issued notice on these petitions challenging the, police action against protesters at Jantar Mantar during Sonam Wangchuk's protest. And here the High Court has directed the Delhi police to preserve all the CCTV footage, videography and other records related to the incidents, and also which is the police's SOP. So there is a direction from Delhi High Court after hearing the petitioner side and also what the Delhi police has said at the hearing, which underwent in the Delhi High Court for half an hour or so. Just concluded, and the High Court has issued notice on these petitions returnable within 4 weeks, which means that within 4 weeks the Delhi police and the government will have to file response in the Delhi High Court, and slated the hearing for the matter for further hearing on 11th of September. Now, what exactly transpired inside the Delhi High Court is that there was many senior advocates who appeared for petitioners in this case, and which includes like senior advocate Vikas Singh, who submitted that there was no violence till July 19th, no Section 144 order was enforced, no warning was issued before the police action. It was a major major submission, and also petitioners have sought an independent SIT probe, registration of the FIR against the identifiable police personnel and preservation of the CCTV footage. And senior advocate Vikas Singh has urged the court to immediately seize the these body camera footage of the security personnel, and also Vikas Singh has called it a serious incident involving innocent students and their families. And on the other hand, Additional Solicitor General S.V. Raju, who appeared for Delhi police and the government here, argued that the crowd
Continue to stay on with us, Sambhav. We in fact have multiple breaking angles coming in regarding this story. Now, senior advocate N. Hariharan has told the Delhi High Court that the protest at Jantar Mantar was peaceful and protected under Articles 19 and 21 of the Constitution. He alleged that the Delhi police used excessive and retaliatory force against the protesters. Senior advocate Vikas Singh submitted that there was no violence till July 19th, no Section 144 order in place, and no warning was given before the police action despite the planned march to the parliament. So, Sambhav, like you were pointing out, this was one of the highlights of the arguments. They were saying that all these orders were not given, even though they had declared that July 20th was the day when they would carry out a march towards the parliament.
Absolutely. These were the major submissions from the side of the petitioners, and the senior advocate Vikas Singh, as you rightly pointed out, and senior advocate Hariharan has made certain submissions. And if we talk about what senior advocate Hariharan said, he alleged that over 90 students were injured, women protesters were assaulted, and in a way he has sought a guideline on police conduct during the, he called it a peaceful demonstration. And so on the other hand, senior advocate Vikas Singh has asked the court to immediately seize the body camera footage of the security personnel. That's one. And also he said that, it's a serious incident and which involved innocent students and their families. So these were the submissions from the side of the petitioner. But on the other hand, Delhi police has also made certain submissions, which I want to highlight here.
Right. In fact, Sambhav, I'll come to you with those arguments and those submissions, because we have some more breaking news wherein the centre and the Delhi police have begun their submissions before the Delhi High Court. Additional Solicitor General S.V. Raju has told the court that Solicitor General Tushar Mehta was instructing him but was occupied in another court, and that he would continue arguments on behalf of the respondents. ASG Raju submitted that neither Sonam Wangchuk nor his wife had lodged any complaint regarding the alleged incident. He also argued that the PIL appeared to have been filed only for publicity. Given the widespread public attention that the issue has attracted, the ASG urged the Delhi High Court to dismiss this petition. So, the main argument that we'd like to discuss right now, Sambhav, is this. This is the submission that was given by ASG Raju, and he said that this PIL may have been filed for publicity.
Absolutely, and see, these arguments are equally important, because see, the point is, it is probably for the first time that the Delhi police is saying something officially on record. Additional Solicitor General S.V. Raju, who appeared in the Delhi High Court, from where I'm reporting, and has argued that the crowd has turned violent. One, that's a very important argument by ASD S.V. Raju, who appeared for Delhi police here, said that the crowd is turned violent. Police personnel were injured, and some political parties were attempting to exploit these situations. So these were the important arguments made in the Delhi High Court during this hearing. A crucial hearing just concluded, where a notice has been issued. Center will have to reply, and Delhi police will have to reply within 4 weeks. The High Court has slated the hearing for September 11th. Here, the very important argument by the Delhi police, saying that few police personnel were injured. It's not, in a way peaceful protest. Crowd has turned violent, is what the Delhi police has said in the Delhi High Court. And also the ASG Raju has said that political parties were attempting to exploit the situation.
Right.
And also ASG has, yes.
Right, Sambhav. Stay on with us, because what you've mentioned, let's introduce that information to our viewers as well. Additional Solicitor General S.V. Raju, appearing for the Delhi police and the government, actually told the Delhi High Court that the crowd had become uncontrollable and then resorted to violence. Raju alleged that some political parties wanted to capitalize on the situation and argued that this was therefore not a peaceful protest. He pointed to video evidence showing police personnel being injured. The ASG submitted that this was not a case warranting the issuance of notice, and argued that the petition had been filed merely to grab the headlines and could not be entertained under law. Raju then told the court that he wished to seek instructions on the matter before proceeding further, and in response, senior advocate N. Hariharan remarked that the ASG had made these statements without any instructions. Well, apart from this, we also have some more news flowing our way, that the Delhi High Court has now issued a notice on the PILs challenging the police action during the Jantar Mantar protest. The court has directed that all relevant records, including CCTV footage and videography relating to the incident, be preserved in accordance with the Delhi police SOPs. Well, Delhi Police and the Union of India accepted the notice through Additional Solicitors General S.V. Raju and Chetan Sharma. The court has also granted the respondents 4 weeks to file their counter affidavit, and the petitioners 2 weeks to file a rejoinder. The matter has been listed for further hearing on September 11th. So, Sambhav, these are the details that you were mentioning. Apart from this, now we are also getting to know a notice has been served. They get 4 weeks to respond, and the petitioners get 2 weeks if they want to submit a rejoinder. And the next hearing has been set for September 11th.
A crucial detail from the Delhi High Court, and the Delhi High Court has issued notice on these petitions challenging the police action against protesters at Jantar Mantar and during Sonam Wangchuk's protest. And also, as you rightly pointed out, the High Court has directed the Delhi police to preserve all relevant CCTV footage, videography and other records, because this is exactly what Senior Advocate Vikas Singh has said in the Delhi High Court for petitioners, that this was more or less, the CCTV footage and other videography and the cameras which were there with the police personnel, everything should be preserved. And exactly, Delhi High Court has directed Delhi police to preserve all these relevant documents, including the CCTV footage, videography, and other records related to the incident according to the police's SOP, standard operating procedure. So here, Delhi police will have to file reply with those CCTVs and details before the Delhi High Court within 4 weeks, because the Delhi High Court put the matter for further hearing on 11th of September. And a crucial, the senior advocates are coming out of the Delhi High Court as we speak. We would be getting the CCTV, we would be getting the footage of that as well, because see, Senior Advocate Vikas Singh has just come out. I can see outside the Delhi High Court here, because I'm reporting from Delhi High Court gate number 5. And the crucial hearing happened in the Delhi High Court because it was very much expected. And full Delhi police has said that the crowd is turned violent. That's why in a way, police has done what is being alleged. And ASG SB Raju has said that neither Sonam Wangchuk nor his wife had lodged any complaint. That's another important submission by Additional Solicitor General S.V. Raju in the Delhi High Court, who appeared for Delhi police and the government, that neither Sonam Wangchuk nor his wife had lodged any complaint against this, and also turned these petitions as publicity-driven petition and asked the Delhi High Court to dismiss it. However, Delhi High Court heard all the sides and then finally issued notice, and returnable within 4 weeks, where Center and the Delhi police will have to file reply and also submit the CCTV footage and other camera footage, and to put the hearing for 11th of September. And these were the submissions from the Delhi police and the government, because see, these submissions are important because officially probably for the first time, the Delhi police is saying something officially before the Delhi High Court. And what the Delhi police, yes.
All right. Thank you so much, Samba, for all that information from the courtrooms. We have some more breaking news coming in at this hour now. Union Minister J.P. Nadda has left the Parliament House